summarize maybe one-liner or a one word to all these political parties that I will say. I will start with Congress, Pramod.
Congress in deep trouble.
Okay. Professor?
Irrelevant.
Okay. The next one happens to be Aam Aadmi Party, Pramod.
I think the rise of AAP.
Okay. Professor?
Sunrise.
Okay. The TMC.
TMC, I'll go with Nilesh's word, irrelevant.
Okay. Professor?
Joker.
Goa Forward.
Goa Forward is struggling to survive.
Professor?
Gasping for breath.
Okay. And the BJP?
I think BJP is the classic election machinery.
Professor?
Astute.
MGP?
MGP, I think the lion has been tamed.
Professor?
Directionless missile.
Okay. And the headline maker, RGP.
Revolutionary Goans, I think RGP has got 10% vote share in this election. It is the third highest vote share after BJP and Congress. So I don't really consider them as splitters or anything. They have their own vote share now because they are almost into double digits. And if you see the statistics, then there are 17 seats out of 40 where they have got votes between 2,000 to 4,000. And there are 4 seats where they have got votes more than 5,000. So certainly this is emergence of RG.
Okay. Professor?
Absolutely. I think RGP is a party that's emerging and is creating a revolution. There is no doubt about that.